Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add calculator button in control center using iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the control center, then tap. Then after that, in the control center, scroll down and go to more controls. Then find the calculator, and as you will see, there's a positive sign located on the side of the calculator. Then all you have to do is just tap until it appears on the included controls. And if you want to check it, if it's your calculator button is already in your control center, just drag down the right side of your screen. And as you will see that the calculator button is already here in your control center. And that's it. We have successfully added calculator button and control center using iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.